I've watched my last video back a few times now, and well, let's just say curiosity got the better of me, so I went back to have a little look around, see what sort of progress they'd made after I'd finished yesterday. And yeah, it's just intriguing. I mean, to me, because it's orange and where it's positioned, it's obviously temporary. It's got to be some form of support, probably for the roof. Which part of the roof, I've got no idea. As you can see, the steel's there to the right of it. There's not enough steels there to reach the height of the roof support and the turf end. It appears as well to be dead centre of the footprint. That should obviously help with weight dispersal and all, for anything that it's supporting. Remembering that I've got no construction knowledge or experience. One thing that also stands out is the fact that it's not actually positioned directly between this support and where the one on the Wrexham Lager stand side would be. It's slightly forward of that. Whether this matters or not, I've got no clue. It's just that with my Meccano experience, I would have put it centrally between the two supports. So what are your thoughts then? This is a good shot of how far they've progressed with the concrete terracing on the top of the stand and the walkways behind the seating. We saw briefly yesterday them placing a slab of concrete in, and this gives you a good view. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Obviously there'll be more coming soon. Right, have a great day.